Alright, what's up y'all? Today we're going to be doing a repair on this shingle right here. As you can tell, there's damage from the wind. We're also going to take some pictures of the damage that was missed. There was damage missed on the front and on the right slope. That was not accounted for on the scope, but we'll send pictures of that in as well. But we came out here to do a repair on this shingle right here. So you see that's unsealed. Go ahead and get this unsealed. Y'all can see right there, it's already ripping. I'm simply trying to be as gentle as I can and unseal this. Right? And you can see all that just came from scraping that. It's kind of crazy. Again, you can see another tear. All I'm doing is trying to unseal this shingle. Alright, I'm being gentle as possible and not really doing much. Alright, perfect. Now we're gonna get this. I'm gonna come up here like this. I need to lift up the shingle just high enough to where I can locate those nails. You hold this sharp for me. Just need to find those nails. Not lifting that shingle up too high at all. Trying to be as gentle as possible. We got some delamination going on. A nail pull through. I don't like that noise. Okay, again, those nails are perfectly flush. Trying to get. Ooh. I hate that noise. I hate that noise.
It's like chalk, like that. Fingers on a chalkboard.
I don't even know.
Oh, you ever wrote on a chalkboard, bro?
Yeah, as y'all can see, I'm just trying to lift the shingle up so I can locate it, and it's tearing right there. You have to lift the shingles up a certain height to get these nails out. All right, you high. You're going to be slipping and sliding.
Yeah, it's like a 6?
All right, again, can you show that? This is a perfectly flush nail. Now look, I'm holding this shingle up and it's tearing right there. Can I see that? And this is not lifted up high at all. It's literally just high enough so we can get it. Again, another tear right here. Trying to be gentle here. All right, and then that should be. That should be just enough. Slide this out. See, you got some delamination going on that shingle. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm not gonna lie. It's getting a little toasty.
All good.
Ooh. Yeah,
Is it bigger?
It's discontinued. It's a
okay.
little hot. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, it is high, yeah.
I guess it's getting to that point of the year. But as you can see right there, the measurements are off. Now with the pliable shingle, this is literally brand new. You can see nothing, right? Like this is a very pliable shingle. Right, we're barely lifting this up, and we're getting tears, we're getting rips. Just to put in perspective, the pliability here. Can you hear me, Muhammad? All right, so go ahead. Again, just high enough. Make sure you put that nail in the right spot. can see. Let's see this too. You can see it tearing right there. Can you see that?
I'm watching.
Yeah, you can. You can see where it's tearing right there. We are using a roof snake, specifically designed for these type of repairs. Right, and we do have another tear right here. I don't know if you can see that, but it is right there. We got a tear. It's getting toasty out here.
You're the one wearing a sweater.
You're the one wearing a sweater. You need to wear a sweater. You need a sweat. That's what you need to do. You need a sweat. Yeah. You want to keep talking? You need a sweat, big boy. Yeah. I can film.
Continue with the process, sir.
Start putting you to work.
I don't mind.
Damn, where's that? Can y'all stop being so dumb? Just send one of these bumblebees at y'all. Try me. Alright. Keep playing. Y'all gonna end up with a at the meeting. My man.
He's gonna call us at the meeting.
I don't call y'all out. Okay, again, I'm just trying to lift it up. You can see it's tearing. It's just right, and again, the roof snake is eating at that, so you can see where it's pulling and tearing right there along that. Yeah, no bueno. Make sure I got it. Oh, there we go. All right, cool. All right, so now that we're done with that repair, a couple spots to touch on. You can see right here, we got one tear. If you look right here, we've got another tear. You can see right here where that roof snake eating away at that. We got a little bit of creasing going on right there. Nothing super, super crazy. A little bit of creasing going on right there. Again, we've got another tear right there. Where's the other one at? Oh yeah, we got a tear right there. A lot of tears. Minor creasing, but I mean it is creasing, right? Yeah, you do have a little bit of creasing going on right there as well. I can't remember. There's a little tear right there. Yep. As y'all can see, a little bit of a tear right there also.
And the roof snake ate, if I'm not mistaken, ate over
Ate
here.
out
Yeah,
there.
right there.
Yeah.
Sorry. Sorry, my bad.
Nah. Oh, right here. That's where it was.
I remember there was one spot.
Another tear. Right. So now she's just being childish. So in doing this repair, we got some creasing going on. We got some tears. We got some rips. Couple nail pull throughs. So all in all, we cannot do this repair without causing additional damage. Now, we were using the correct tools. We were using the correct techniques. And we just can't do it. It's not possible. But thanks for watching.